Sending short videos within your chatbot will help your clients to convert better and also helps them to better understand about your business very well. So I'm going to explain how to embed videos within a chat widget. So let's say you have a chatbot installed on your website and you want to send specific videos within the chatbot itself. Let me show how to do that effectively. Instead of just sending them to a website or YouTube video link, you can actually embed the chat or you can actually easily embed the video within the chat window itself for them to watch as well. So let's see how to do that. So here I am in this account, and here let's create a flow, and let me name this as simple as that embed video, and click continue. Here I'm in the embed video flow. So here, to add a video, the easiest way is to just upload your video to a YouTube channel and simply share that one over here. So here let me grab one video over here. So let me choose this video. Let's see, we want to embed this particular video, and here you have the option to share, and here choose the embed code. So right here you will have the embed code, and copy this one, and here you have to add just simply paste that one. That's it. Now you have simply embedded this particular video, as you see here, into this particular chatbot over here. So here let's see how this actually shows up as well. So here let's change the starting step over here, and here let's add a simple message. So let me simply add this text block as well, and here you can add any sort of emojis too. So if you search here down hand or something like that, you can simply add any sort of emojis too. So here I have added this embed code from YouTube. Let's see how this actually shows up over here. So this simply works only on the web chat channel, because other channel doesn't allow this sort of embed capabilities over here. For the other channels, what you have to do here is that if you want to use the video option, for example, if you want to send a video through Messenger or Instagram, you can simply choose the video option over here and simply upload the video. Otherwise you can simply insert a download link to your video as well. So you cannot use the YouTube links over there, but here for the web chat you can simply use the embed code as you see here. So let's quickly see how this actually looks like. So simply let me copy this web chat code right here, and let me paste this code somewhere here, and let's see. So I have pasted the web chat code, and as you see here it says learn more about AI chat automation, and the video is simply over here, and the customers can simply play this one as well. Let's see how you can build. Here the video is here, and they can simply play, watch the video, everything within the chat window itself. So if you install a chat widget, it will be sent through this to the chat widget as well. So that's a quick tutorial on how to embed a video from the YouTube. If any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.